Khua Kling Thai dry curry. Ingredients: 500 grams minced pork loin, 3 tablespoons Thai Southern style curry paste, see recipe below, ½ cup water, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1½ teaspoon palm sugar, 5 kaffir lime leaves, cut into very thin stripes. Curry paste. Directions: soak dried chilies in a bowl of boiling or hot water until soft. 15 minutes to 30 minutes depends on the temperature of water. Hotter water takes less time. Rinse and remove the seeds, and finely chop. Wrap shrimp paste with a piece of tin foil and roast on the cooktop of a stove until smelling the air with an aroma. Put all the ingredients in the mortar, and pound and crush with the pestle until smooth. It can be done with a food processor also. Store in the freezer if you don't use all at once. Heat the wok over medium-high heat, add vegetable oil and following with minced pork. Cook until pork turns pink and add curry paste, fish sauce, and palm sugar, and mix well. Lower the heat to medium, add water and cook until pork is tender and dry. Turn off the heat, add kaffir lime leaves and mix well. Serve with lots of fresh vegetables like cucumber, lettuce, snake beans etc., and steamed jasmine rice.